MCQs. First, where is Rishi traveling to with his parents? To the Himalayas. Second, who lives in a small village near the mountains? Rishi's mama, mami, and cousins. Third, what kind of roads led to Rishi's mama's house? A narrow mud road. Fourth, which flower does Nonika identify for Rishi? Tulip. Fifth, what special dish did Rishi's family eat at Mama's house? Hak with hot rice. Sixth, which festival is celebrated in Jammu during spring? Spring festival. Seventh, what does the Sarhul festival celebrate? The arrival of spring. What safety measures should be followed while traveling? Follow road signs and stay alert. Ninth, who are Rishi's cousins? Shia and Nonika. 10th, which flowers are used during the Vishu festival? Yellow, amalthus. 11th, what do the elders give during Rishi's spring festival? Sweets and toffees. 12th, which of these is a festival of lights? Diwali. 13th, why is it important to celebrate festivals together? It brings joy and unity. 14th, if you had to make a festival greeting card, which material could you reuse from home? Old paper and ribbons. 15th, which festival is celebrated after the month of Ramadan? Eid al-Fitr. 16th, why should we not waste food during festivals? As many people are hungry and food should be respected. 17th, which waste item would you use to make a festival decoration? Old newspapers. 18th, how can we celebrate a festival without making loud noise? By bursting fewer crackers and playing soft music. 19th, festivals are celebrated with family and friends. 20th, what is the birthday of Jesus Christ celebrated as? Christmas. 21st, which festival is celebrated by throwing of colored powders and water? Answer is Holi. 22nd, which festival is celebrated by traditionally lighting oil lamps? Answer Diwali. Chapter 3, Celebrating Festivals. First, Rishi lives in Jammu. Second, Rishi was traveling to the Himalayas with his parents. Third, Rishi's mama lived in Kashmir. Fourth, mama means mother's brother. Fifth, mami means mama's wife. Sixth, Rishi was visiting his mama, mami, and cousins, Chia and Nonika. Seventh, Chia and Nonika lived in a small village near the mountains. Eighth, Rishi and his parents were traveling by bus. Ninth, the roads had hairpin turns. 10th, the hills were covered with colorful flowers. 11th, Rishi got down at the bus stop near Mama and Mami's village. 12th, Mama Ji was there on the bus stop to receive Rishi's family. 13th, to reach Mama Ji's house, they started walking on a broad concrete road which led to a narrow mud road closer to their house. 14th, Rishi saw a row of colorful flowers in Mama's garden. 15th, name the flowers Rishi saw in Mama's garden. Answer: rose, marigold, hibiscus, tulip. 16th, name the flower that blooms during the winter season in Jammu. Answer is buranj. Rhododendron. 17th, Mami made hak and rice for lunch. Hak means a kind of a leafy vegetable. 18th, Kashmir Tulip Festival is held in the month of March and April. 20th, how is the Spring Festival celebrated in Rishi's place? Answer: by placing mustard and buranj flowers at the doorstep of each house in their neighborhood. 21st, Chia's friend Unni is from Kerala. 22nd, Unni celebrates a festival called Vishu in the spring season. 23rd, how is Vishu Kani prepared? By using a lot of yellow amalthus flowers, fruits, and vegetables. 24th, the special food prepared during Vishu is Vishu Kani. 25th, spring is a celebration of nature. 26th, during spring season, we see flowers blooming, grass growing, and new leaves in the trees. 27. The most majestic mountains in the world lie in the northern areas of India and are known as the Himalayas. 28. The Himalayas mean home of snow. 29th. The highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. 30th. Mount Everest lies in a neighboring country, Nepal. 31st. The height of Mount Everest is about 8,848 meters. 32nd. The Sarhul festival is celebrated in the spring season in Jharkhand. 33rd. During the festival, people walk in traditional clothes in a procession to the sakwa tree. 34th. During the procession, people carry freshly germinated grains and sakwa flowers. Next, people offer these things as a gratitude to the earth and sun. Sarhul festival is celebrated by singing and dancing together on tunes of drums, that is dhol, nagada, etc., and local musical instruments.